In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Cricut to grow your small business. We'll be making stickers and custom thank you cards to use with your packaging. Stick around, I'm sharing the full tutorial right now. Custom packaging is one way to add a clean, professional look to your products. It also helps put your brand front and center. You can find a list of all the materials I'm using today down below in the description. I'm going to show you how to use Cricut Design Space and the Maker 3 to design and cut your own logo stickers. So I want to create a sticker of my logo. So in Design Space, I'm going to click Upload and upload my image. Then I'm going to choose Complex to capture all the detail. Add a title, a description, then save it as a print then cut file. Now I can insert this file into my canvas. From here, I'll size it appropriately, add a few stickers to my page, and then click Make It. First, we need to print these. So follow the prompts and click Print. Once printed, place the sticker page on a mat and load it into your Maker 3. You'll notice this looks a little different. Select sticker paper in Design Space and then start the cut. Your machine is going to recognize that black box and cut just the stickers. These then pull easily off the page and are ready to use for your packaging. They can be placed on boxes, to close tissue paper inside a package, or you can use them on blank thank you cards. To make these thank you cards, start with white cardstock. Then in Design Space, use a card template that has both cut and score lines. I'm using the text tool and writing out thank you. I selected a writing font and a gel pen in the right color. Once everything is sorted out in place, select everything and click Attach. Then hit Make It. Just follow the prompts and switch out the tools. You'll use a scoring tool, blade, and pen for these cards. These logo stickers work perfectly on the front of the card. They're blank inside, allowing you to add a note for your customer. Once you have the logo uploaded, printing and cutting stickers is a simple task that adds big value to your small business. A Cricut can help grow your small business by allowing you to customize your packaging. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Cricut tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.